Think colorful eyeshadow can't look classy? Think again. Because today I will show you how to create a soft yet vibrant eye look that is classy, elegant, and so easy to recreate. Hi everyone, this is Akata Gangopadhyay and welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video here and I'm so excited to finally start this journey with you all. So, without any further delay, let's get started. I have already done my skincare because good skin is the foundation of good makeup. Now starting with the Mars Gripping Primer, this makes sure my makeup stays flawless all day, no matter how long I am shooting or dancing. Primer creates a smooth, even base for makeup. It minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines, controls oil for those with oily skin, and can provide hydration for dry skin, leading to a more flawless and longer-lasting makeup application. Next, I am using Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. The orange shade goes under my eyes and around my mouth to cancel out darkness. If you skip color correction and apply concealer directly over dark under eyes, it will end up looking ashy or grey. Color correction is the secret to that smooth, flawless base, especially if you have got dark circles, redness, or any acne mark. The green shade helps with any redness or acne mark. Now I am taking just a tiny bit of Inside Banana Loose Powder to lightly set everything so it doesn't mix with my foundation. Now, the star, Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in shade 128. I always warm it up on the back of my hand first and then dot it all over. This is one of my favorite affordable liquid foundation. It offers medium coverage with a natural matte finish and is particularly well suited for oily and acne-prone skin. Now, using a flat brush, I am blending everything seamlessly. Blending is literally the make or break moment of your look. So don't rush. Darling, take your time. And don't forget your neck. Please, we don't want two different shades of face and neck walking around. If you want, you can use a beauty blender for blending. Choose a beauty blender if you want a natural finish and prefer an easier, faster application process. But choose a foundation brush if you desire maximum coverage and more control over your makeup application. Next, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade Medium. Under my eyes, chin, forehead, basically all the high points to brighten up the face. Let it sit for a few seconds, it gives better coverage. It really depends on the concealer you are using. If you are using a matte concealer, then don't wait. Otherwise, you will have problem with blending. Meanwhile, I am contouring using the dark brown shade from the same Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. Cheekbones, jawline, and side of my nose for that snatched model face. I couldn't find my contour brush, so blending with fingers. We are keeping it real here. Remember, blend till it looks natural. We are going for a sculpted, not muddy. The concealer has slightly dried down, which helps achieve a fuller coverage. Now I am blending it gently with the PSE 219 concealer brush to get that flawless lifted look. Trust me, this brush blends like a dream. For blush, I am using Inside Blush in Strawberry Drip. I always dab off the extra on my hand first. Now, Smile a little and apply upwards for that lifted, fresh look. Less is more. You can always build it up later. Now I am setting my whole face with the inside banana loose powder. Again for that soft matte finish. Moving on to my brows. Mine are already thick and dark. So just filling in the sparse areas using Miss Claret eyebrow pencil and brushing it out with the spoolie for a clean, natural finish. Now I am locking everything in place with the Swiss Beauty setting spray. Let it dry and let your base live its best life. Okay, now the fun part, the eyes. I am keeping it colorful but soft, perfect for any occasion. Using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, I am taking this very pretty pink color and placing it on the outer V of my lid. Now from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I am taking a sky blue or sea green type of shade for the inner half. Adding a shimmer right in the center because honestly, life is too short for matte lids only. Now blending everything together for that dreamy transition. Now we are smudging the pink shade along the lower lash line for that cohesive look. Take a soft transition shade like a soft brown shade and blend the edges. Because really harsh line doesn't look good. So blend until it looks smooth and perfect. Then I am using Lakme eyeliner to create a small wing. Just a baby flick to lift the eyes. Go slow with little strokes. And rest your elbow in some table or bench for a stable application process. Now smudge a bit of liner of the lower lash line too. Finishing with Mars mascara, it gives volume without clumps. No falsies today because sometimes natural lashes just hit different. See how colorful yet elegant this looks. You can totally play with any colors you like. I went with this dreamy pink and sky blue combo with a touch of shimmer. Now it's highlight time. Using Wet n Wild highlighter on my nose bridge, cupid bows, brow bone and inner corners. Glow like you mean it. Highlighter instantly lifts your features and adds dimension to the face. Applying it on the highest points where light naturally hits gives that beautiful sculpted glow that photographs perfectly. But remember, a little goes a long way. You want to glow, not blind. Now coming to my lips. I am lining with the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Dark Chocolate. I don't like to overline my lips, I like to keep it natural. You can overline your lips if you want to, but don't do it too much. I see a lot of influencers are doing it right now, but in real life, it doesn't look good. I like to blend the edges with the help of my fingers so that it looks smooth. If you don't want to line your lips, you can directly apply a lipstick. Now, I'm applying the Swiss Beauty lipstick on the shade Bare 213. Now for creating a ombre effect, I am applying an LE18 deep pink liquid lipstick on the inner part of my lips and blending it with the help of my fingers so that it gives that ombre effect. Now finishing it off with Inside Clear lip gloss because glossy lips means main character moment. Now I have done hitless curls overnight. Now I'm opening it and revealing the final look. And that's the look, besties. I hope you loved this colorful eye makeup as much as I did creating it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon so you never miss out any future glow ups. Tell me in the comments what you want next, or if there is any of my Insta makeup you would like a full tutorial on. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the links are in the description. Okay, my loves, stay glowing, stay confident. I will see you in the next one.